me go over. Okay. Go over. All right, good start.
We're at Catalina. We're trying to capture some yellowtail. Fly lining days right now. Junior here has a nice bonita on. Almost here. We're using some sardines. Take one more drink. We're ready. 1, 2. We're gonna flush drink here. There you go. Good job. Hold the rod.
This way. Not this time.
Oh no!
Jinxed me, man.
Get him, Dad.
So our skipper Shane here has us in the front side of the island. And they got fish going. We're getting some bonita, we're getting some barracuda, some yellowtail. I think I have a little yellow on here. 20-pound test line, live bait hook, mustad. Let's see what I got here. Oh, I got bonita. Here's my bonita, and here's our captain. So technically it's a tuna, but it's bonita, and we're fishing front side of the island toward the west, and fly lining both anchovies and sardines.
Yeah.
Seems to be working.
Anchovy sardines. They bit better on the squid yesterday, but we're using what we got.
Yeah, we have some nice bait today.